Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of learning C programming, and this video is to find out maximum and minimum among two numbers using if else. Using if else. Using if else. Right. Now, from the question, we have to understand what can be we write. So there are two numbers what you have to consider. So you have to take two variables and you have to read the values through scanf. So until this it's right. And next you have to find out maximum and also the minimum. So just before we were did a program which we can find out the maximum, and this program you have to find out minimum also. So there should be one relational operator which checks the relation in between of these two. Now let's see the logic how we wrote. Header file as usual, int main function, int number 1 comma number 2. So I told you just now, I told you just now that you have to take two numbers, declare two numbers and supply the values through scanf. Now once after you supply the values or once after you read the values, now this time I am taking 10 and 15. The values are, example, my values are 10 and 15. Now with this statement I got to know my values. Now come down. If number 1 greater than number 2, what is number 1 value? 10. What is number 2 value? 15. So as this condition fails, you cannot come inside to access. Right? Where will go? Where will go? Will come down. Will come down where the block is finished. That is, we'll come to else part. And we'll execute this part. So what is this part? Minimum is number 1. Maximum is number 2. If this condition is true, what happens? Number 1 will be the maximum, number 2 will be the minimum. If this condition fails, a reverse of the same, right? With this, you can find out maximum and minimum of two numbers, among two numbers. Let's see the output of this. So I'll put this comment line, otherwise I'll get an error. So as modification is done, you have to save this. Now I'm giving 10 and 15. Look at 10 is minimum, 15 is maximum. Right? Like this you can get it. This is the program to find out max and minimum. So you can also try the code with the another logic. Thank you all.